Another way to work more efficiently and make life easier for yourself as you're creating documents here in Word 2016 is to make use of building blocks. And if you've been following along in this course from the beginning, we've actually used building blocks already. We just didn't mention it. Now we're going to dive a little bit deeper into them. So we're going to do so with our press release document, LH Press Release 1003, if you need to get caught up. This is a 2-page document. And let's say we wanted page numbering down in the bottom center. Well, we can go to the Insert tab. And over here on the ribbon under Header and Footer, we see Headers, Footers, and Page Numbering drop-down buttons. These are all considered building blocks. They help you build your document. So if we did want page numbering, we can choose where we want it. I think bottom of page. And then we see all of these different options to choose from. Plain numbers, accented bars, and so on. So if we wanted to choose a plain number, like this one here, give it a click. It's inserted at the bottom of the page in the footer section. We could go to the Home tab and center that. So take it a step further and double click in the document to close that up. That is a building block. If we go back to the Insert tab and go over to the text group here, text boxes are considered building blocks. Give it a click and you'll see some presets to choose from. Kind of cool. You can draw your own text box. You can get some online here as well. And let's just close this up by clicking in the background. In this text group, you can also go up to the button at the top, which allows you to explore something called Quick Parts. Give it a click, and you'll see any quick parts you may have created already. We haven't done that yet. In the next movie, we will, and they'll show up here at the top of this menu. But we can also go to Auto Text, Document Properties, if we wanted to insert some properties, let's say information about the company, fields, and check it out. A building blocks organizer. I like this because not only can we go in here to see building blocks, but we can actually edit properties, delete them. You can see there is a gallery column here and everything's listed alphabetically by the gallery. So bibliographies are building blocks. If you wanted a cover page for your document, you can select one right from here. Just click it to see a preview over on the right-hand side until you see the one that you want. I'm thinking maybe this ion light would work for our press release. All you do is select it and click Insert. So it's inserted using your own theme. You can see the Landon Hotel logo, something that you would have had to follow along with us earlier on when we decided that the Landon Hotel logo would be part of the theme. We can go in here to just type in the year 2015. And as we scroll down, we can add a document title, press release. We can add a subtitle, October 2015. And the author is going to show up down there. You can type in your own name here if you wanted to. You can also edit the properties. Don't forget you can add in your own information. I'm going to type in David Rivers, like so. There we go. Click outside. And you can see how quickly we were able to create this cover page thanks to our building blocks. Now, let's say we wanted to create our own. We can create our own quick parts that are easily accessible from the ribbon. We'll do that next.